that intermittent power issue on your Dyson Supersonic? You press the power button, nothing. You check the plug, you wiggle the cord, but that beautiful piece of engineering is about as responsive as a rock. Don't panic, you're not alone. The no respond and button issue is a surprisingly common problem we see. After countless hours of styling, two key parts often give out. The internal power cable gets frayed from all that twisting, and the switch button cover wears down, losing its click. So, you're facing that frustrating no respond and button issue, and you're worried your Dyson is done for. Before you do anything else, you need a specialist. At RoboCare, this isn't a mystery to us, it's a specialty. Our trained technicians know the Supersonic isn't just a hairdryer. It's a complex piece of engineering, and we've perfected this exact repair. We don't guess. Using precision diagnostic tools, we confirm the culprits. A frayed power cable deep inside the handle and a worn-out switch button cover. Our solution is comprehensive. We carefully replace the entire internal cable with a genuine component. Then we restore that satisfying click with a brand new switch cover. It's about more than just a quick fix. It's about restoring performance and safety. But seeing is believing. Let's show you the results. After our expert repair, the faulty components are replaced. Now this Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer have instant power and a button that works flawlessly every single time. Ready to bring your Dyson back to life? Visit our website or call us today to schedule your repair.